Hi there. We are learning AWS Lambda, and now we in this part we are going to explore how AWS Lambda works internally. We are going to learn handler functions, various objects, and other thing that you are required to build a proper serverless scripting language. Scripting. So, for understanding Lambda, we need to first explore what is trigger. So, in this scenario, there are three types of input, three cases. We have developed three Lambda scripts. Um, on the left hand side, the input is called trigger. The service which invokes certain kinds of input, that is called trigger. It could be Amazon S3, API gateway, RDS, DynamoDB, or any other AWS service. We can set trigger for that. In the first case, we have developed a Lambda script that takes an input and stores that input value in a certain format to DynamoDB. We can do so. In second case, we have a website where we have various users and we want our users to upload their profile photos. As the number of users for our website is very large, then it could be millions or billions. The size of a photo they uploaded could be very large and thus increasing our cost and space required. We need to write a serverless script separate from the website backend or front end logic. We want it to keep separate from other scripts. That's why we are using Lambda, and we want just to compress that image. So when a user uploads an image of large size to Amazon S3 bucket based on his profile photo, he does not know actually what is S3, but he simply clicks the upload button, which is get uploaded to S3 based on JavaScript. And when this operation is performed, it could be set as triggered with AWS Lambda. We can set, and when it is set, an image is uploaded, the AWS Lambda script for this file keeps the image short and stores back to S3. In the next case, we have an API gateway which exposes the code functionality to take inputs and perform various operations. In this API gateway, uh, we may take input values like A, B, or any types of values that could be textual, image, video, or other kinds of value using certain scripts like JavaScript or C# script or any other script. When that program is run and input a variable value is passed through API gateway that is triggered, which pass that values to Lambda script, certain Lambda handler script, which may perform operations like addition, like A plus B, and other operations, and store back this information to any kind of database or any place of requirement. So these were the simple case where we can see how Lambda works. We can keep writing various Lambda scripts and uh, store them in AWS cloud. We can write different scripts, different files. We can write using zip file or directly. We can write our scripts in any programming language of our choice. Not always available, like Node.js, Python, Java, Ruby. These are available, and other languages. We can write our Lambda scripts, which have handler and various objects. So how it works internally? When a request is made to the AWS cloud for a Lambda script, a trigger is generated. Our Lambda script uh, is stored in a container which is being called. It works in the pay-as-you-go philosophy. When the request is number of scripts is less, and the number of containers is also low. When the number of requests increases, the AWS automatically creates more containers to handle more requests. When the number of requests is even larger, the number of containers get larger. It is elastic, it can scale up or down. When the number of requests again goes down, we can it automatically reduces the number of containers. It is very useful uh, when we don't want to pay for a large number of requests. Suppose in our website our traffic is very low at certain point of time, and at a certain different point of time it is very large. We would like it to be optimized so that our cost and the resource consumptions goes down. So AWS handles it for us very significantly. We will learn other things later, so keep learning and keep moving ahead.